Welcome to the Travel Man channel. Today, we're heading into the heart of Otway National Park, one of Victoria's most beautiful and untouched natural areas, to visit Erskine Falls, a stunning waterfall hidden among lush green forests. We'll take you on a journey through winding forest roads, share the park's history, explore walking trails, and enjoy the peaceful surroundings of the falls. The journey begins with a drive through the winding roads of Otway National Park, a place where ancient forests meet gentle hills and the fresh smell of eucalyptus fills the air. The drone follows our car as we move slowly along, giving you a bird's-eye view of towering trees, fern gullies, and the soft sunlight filtering through the canopy. Otway National Park is more than just trees and waterfalls. It covers nearly 100,000 hectares of forests, rivers, and rugged coastline. The park is home to unique wildlife like koalas, lyrebirds, kangaroos, and colorful parrots, which makes every drive and walk a chance to spot something magical. The roads are lined with tall mountain ash trees, some of the tallest flowering trees in the world. These forests have been here for hundreds of years, long before European settlement, and today they remain a protected haven for plants and animals. Along the way, you'll see signs marking hiking trails, lookouts, and camping areas. There are plenty of opportunities for short walks to waterfalls, longer treks into the rainforest, and even historic sites, like old timber bridges and remnants of logging from the 19th century. Driving through the Otways feels like stepping into another world, a quiet place where nature takes center stage, and the hum of the car is the only sound until birds or rustling leaves catch your attention. The journey itself is part of the experience, preparing you for the calm and beauty that awaits at Erskine Falls. After a scenic drive, we reach the Erskine Falls car park. Parking here is free, which is great for travelers, and it's just a short walk to the waterfall itself. The trail down takes about 6 to 8 minutes and includes roughly 300 steps, winding gently through the lush rainforest. As we walk, you are surrounded by ferns, moss-covered rocks, and trees that feel almost ancient, their trunks rising high into the sky. The air is cool and filled with the scent of damp leaves, creating a peaceful and refreshing atmosphere. Along the path, small birds flit between branches, and occasionally you might hear the distant call of a lyrebird or the rustle of a wallaby through the undergrowth. Each step brings the sound of the waterfall closer, building anticipation for the moment you finally see it. The steps are well maintained, but the walk has a natural feel: stone paths, wooden steps, and handrails that blend into the forest. It's a great way to get some exercise while enjoying the rainforest, and it allows you to slow down, take in your surroundings, and really connect with nature. For anyone visiting, it's worth taking your time on this walk. Stop, look around, take photos, and just breathe. The sounds, smells, and sights of the forest make it feel like stepping into another world. At last, we reach Erskine Falls, a breathtaking waterfall plunging about 30 meters into a rocky pool below. The water flows year-round, fed by the dense rainforest above, and creates a gentle mist that cools the surrounding air. The falls are named after James Erskine, an early settler in the Otways during the 19th century. Over the years, the waterfall has become one of the most popular attractions in the region, drawing visitors from all over Victoria and beyond. The viewing platform above gives a panoramic perspective of the falls. From here, you can see the water rush down the cliff, surrounded by ferns, moss, and giant trees. There's a calm and peaceful energy here, a sense that time slows down when you stand near the waterfall. For those who want a closer look, a short, gentle walk leads to the base. Here, the water crashes into the rocks below, creating a soothing sound that blends with birdsong and the rustling of leaves. It's a perfect spot for photography, meditation, or just soaking in the beauty of nature. Visitors often comment on how calming the falls feel. The combination of green forest, flowing water, and cool mist creates a natural sanctuary. Whether you're here on your own or with friends and family, it's a place to pause, reflect, and connect with the outdoors. The drone rises above Erskine Falls, capturing the full scale of the waterfall and the surrounding rainforest. From this perspective, you can see how the water cuts through the green canopy and disappears into the dense forest below. The sunlight filters through the trees, creating patterns on the forest floor. The mist from the waterfall catches the light, forming soft rainbows that seem almost magical. Every angle shows a different side of the falls, some emphasizing the height, some the flowing water, and others the peaceful surroundings. The rainforest stretches far beyond the waterfall, a continuous sea of green with hidden trails, wildlife, and smaller streams. From above, you realize just how special this place is. It's untouched, quiet, and entirely in harmony with nature. Watching the waterfall from this perspective is calming. You can almost hear the water's gentle roar over the drone's hum, and it reminds you why places like this are so important, the natural retreat where people can reconnect with the world around them. Thank you for joining me on this journey to Erskine Falls in Otway National Park. This forest, the waterfall, the walking trails, and the peaceful river all combine to make it one of Victoria's most beautiful destinations. It's a place to relax, explore, and feel completely surrounded by nature. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Travel Man channel for more breathtaking and adventurous places like this. And remember, the world is full of hidden gems, sometimes you just have to take the road less traveled to find them.